Hello, budding artists. Today we are embarking on a magical journey. We'll sketch and color a whimsical mushroom house. And if you're as excited as I am, give this video a thumbs up. Let's go! First things first, let's sketch. Gently draw the outline of a mushroom with its big round cap and a sturdy stem. Remember, every artist has their style, so let your uniqueness shine. Oh, I love the arched door. How about a couple of windows on the stem? If you're enjoying the process so far, don't forget to hit that like button. We are now adding tall grass to beautify the surroundings of our mushroom house. Let's draw the mushroom cap now. Let's sketch some spots too. These can be of any shape or size. These spots give our mushroom its fairy tale charm. Great sketching! Ready to add in a splash of color? Let's dive in. I'm using a shade of purple for the mushroom cap. But hey, it's your world. You can choose whatever color you like. Make sure you don't leave any spots uncolored. I'm using a turquoise blue to fill the spots in the middle. For the stem, I'm going with a soft beige, but feel free to pick any shade that feels right. And if you're finding these tips useful, make sure you subscribe for more. Let's color our door and windows. I'm thinking a rustic brown door and warm glowing windows. But maybe in your world the door is teal and the windows have rainbow curtains. As we wrap up, sprinkle in some final magic. Every little detail adds to your story. Wow! Look at our creation, from a simple sketch to a vibrant and magical scene. If you love this journey, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, bye.